What happens when you take a Tesla Cybertruck and replace its wheels with massive hell tracks? You get an unstoppable electric beast that can rip through deep snow at 64 kilometers per hour, proof that even the most futuristic trucks can go full Mad Max. Sparks Motors Tracked Cybertruck. Fans of the Diesel brothers know the team for their high-powered diesel builds, but this time, they tackled something different. A Tesla Cybertruck conversion. The result? A fully tracked electric beast. Packing over 600 horsepower, this Cybertruck maintains solid performance even after swapping its factory wheels for massive 76-centimeter wide hell tracks, giving it unstoppable traction in deep snow. Of course, some modifications were necessary, such as upgrading to Fox coilovers for better suspension, allowing it to hit speeds of 64 kilometers per hour even on rough terrain. To top it all off, the vehicle sports a camo pattern vinyl wrap and high-end LED lighting that alone cost a whopping $66,000. LiteTrax MuddTrax all-terrain vehicle. When it comes to conquering extreme landscapes, MuddTrax vehicles are built for the job. These rugged amphibious machines excel in snow, mud, rocky terrain, and even swamps. Offering a variety of configurations, the MTXC model stands out with an engine option of up to 75 horsepower, seating for 2 or 4 passengers, and a durable cargo platform. For winter expeditions, it even comes equipped with a heater. With a maximum speed of 29 kilometers per hour and an impressive ground clearance of 41 centimeters, it's no surprise that forest rangers, oil workers, and emergency response teams rely on these machines. As for pricing, it's only available upon request. How much do you think one of these off-road monsters is worth? DTV Shredder. Imagine a ride that fuses elements of a tank, skateboard, and stand-up jet ski. That's exactly what the creators of the DTV Shredder had in mind when they designed this one-of-a-kind tracked vehicle. Not only is it fun to ride, but it's also incredibly versatile. On weekends, riders can race through dirt trails at speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour, while during the work week, they can use it to tow heavy cargo trailers. The battery lasts for 2 hours of continuous use, giving plenty of time for adventure. However, at 113 kilograms, it's not the easiest machine to store. And with a price tag of $8,999, the big question is, would you add it to your collection? Which of these tracked machines impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. DIY Tracked Monobike. For those who love creative engineering, transforming a pit bike into a tracked motorcycle is a project worth attempting, especially for a festival like Burning Man. This inventor documented the entire process, starting with a 125cc mini motorcycle and modifying it for off-road adventures. One of the most impressive elements? The track itself was crafted from a repurposed truck tire, proving that innovation and resourcefulness go hand in hand. A fuel tank from an old lawnmower also found a second life in this build. Though the process came with challenges, the sheer excitement on the creator's face as he test-rode his homemade monobike made every effort worthwhile. Tesla Cyberbeast. Imagine a concept pickup truck that blends the high-energy spectacle of monster truck shows with the raw, rugged appeal of Mad Max. Now picture that concept applied to a Tesla Cybertruck. That's exactly what a team from Germany has done, creating an absolute beast of a machine weighing in at 6 tons. They've enhanced the vehicle's ground clearance to a towering 80 centimeters and equipped it with a powerful winch capable of towing an equivalent weight. What's even more impressive? The entire transformation took just a month. If you're curious to learn more, this one-of-a-kind tracked Cybertruck has its own dedicated page on autohero.com. These extreme builds take engineering to the next level. Which one stands out to you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Alto's TRX. For those looking to boost efficiency in landscaping, the Altaz TRX tracked mower is an investment that pays off quickly. Designed for professionals, its innovative track system makes it a dream for maintaining sloped terrain, vineyards, and other tricky landscapes. The tracks not only enhance stability, but also minimize the risk of damaging soft ground or leaving ruts. Operators can work faster with speeds reaching 18 km per hour, covering more ground per job. The Altaz TRX 354 base model starts at $17,000, delivering a cutting width of 137 centimeters with an adjustable blade height ranging from 57 to 130 millimeters. If mowing on steep inclines has ever been a challenge, this machine might just be the answer. Ramsmobile Protos RMX2. When ordinary SUVs get stuck, the Ramsmobile Protos RMX2 keeps moving thanks to its retractable track system. If necessary, it deploys one or two tracks, enabling it to climb slopes up to 70 degrees. Unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show, this vehicle turned heads not just for its extreme off-road capabilities, but also for its unconventional luxury. For example, each seat comes with an integrated electronic hookah. The custom-designed doors, which took a year and a half to develop, add to its futuristic appeal. Power options include gasoline, diesel, and electric versions, all pushing a staggering 1,200 horsepower. But all this luxury and performance come at a price. The Protos RMX2 starts at an eye-watering $1,667,000. Burlak Drive. The Burlak Drive isn't just an ordinary snowmobile, it's an affordable, front-wheel drive machine built for winter adventure. Perfect for hunters and ice fishers, this motorized snow rig can reach speeds of 40 kilometers per hour and haul up to 250 kilograms of cargo. Its 15-horsepower engine powers a 50-centimeter wide track, giving it the traction needed for deep snow. Despite its solid capabilities, the price is one of its best features. This winter workhorse can be yours for just $1,392, making it one of the most budget-friendly snowmobiles on the market. Tucker Terra Snowcat. Whether you need to transport people, supplies, or equipment in deep snow, the Tucker Terra 2000 XL is up for the challenge. Equipped with a 130-horsepower engine, this snowcat is designed for tough winter conditions. The enclosed cabin can comfortably seat up to 5 people, while its cargo platform can handle an impressive 3,117 kilogram load. For even more capacity, a trailer can be attached. Standard features include a heater, power steering, and high-beam headlights, ensuring comfort and visibility in extreme conditions. If reliability is what you need, the Tucker Terra won't disappoint. Which one of these winter-ready machines would you take for a ride? Let us know in the comments below. Vida Alpha. Swedish engineering meets sustainability in the Vida Alpha, a cutting-edge electric snowmobile. With an output of 130 kilowatts, or 176 horsepower, this machine proves that environmentally friendly options don't sacrifice power. It performs flawlessly, even in freezing temperatures down to minus 39 degrees Celsius, reaching speeds of 110 kilometers per hour with a 100-kilometer range per charge. Designed to combat the high emissions of traditional snowmobiles, the Alpha is a step toward cleaner, more sustainable winter travel. However, going green comes at a cost. This advanced electric snowmobile starts at $29,257. Athena 850. Why settle for an ordinary lift when you can have one that tackles rough terrain with ease? The Athena 850 is a tracked scissor lift designed for construction and industrial applications, offering exceptional stability on uneven ground. It supports loads up to 250 kilograms and features longitudinal leveling of plus or minus 20 degrees and lateral leveling of plus or minus 15 degrees. With a maximum working height of 8 meters and an automatic basket leveling system, it provides safety and efficiency in demanding conditions. Despite its high-tech features, used models can be found for as little as $12,700, making it a solid investment for heavy-duty work. Prenoth Husky. The Prenoth Husky is a compact yet powerful snow groomer designed for a variety of winter tasks. While its primary function is preparing ski trails, it can also be used for indoor stadium maintenance, cargo transport, and bobsleigh track grooming. Measuring just 4 meters in length, excluding attachments, it is the smallest in its class, allowing for easy maneuverability. The 231 horsepower engine gives it a top speed of 24 kilometers per hour, and its adaptable design includes a passenger cabin that can transport up to 9 people with their ski gear. Impressively, the engine runs on both conventional diesel and BTL fuels, making it a versatile and eco-friendly choice. Winter workhorses or high-speed snowmobiles, which ones impress you the most? Tell us your pick in the comments. "4x4 Tracked Toyota Tundra." Straight from Russia comes an exciting upgrade from LiteTrax, a company specializing in crawler systems. Unlike pricier alternatives, their system is 4 times more affordable while maintaining exceptional durability. These tracks can be installed on a variety of vehicles, including the Lada Niva, Toyota, and Ford models. The best part? No extensive modifications are needed. These tracks attach to the standard mounting points in the wheel arches. Designed to handle gross weights of up to 3.8 tons, the system is perfect for year-round use. Whether for deep snow or muddy trails, this tracked Toyota Tundra is ready for adventure. Nissan 370ZKi. Imagine taking a Nissan 370Z and converting it into a snowmobile. That's exactly what happened with the 370ZKi, a one-of-a-kind winter beast. Engineers replaced the rear tires with Dominator tracks and added custom skis to the front, raising the ground clearance by 18 centimeters. The car's standard transmission was modified to work at a slower speed, while the engine had to be repositioned for proper functionality. The result? A snow-drifting machine that offers the thrill of a sports car with the agility of a snowmobile. Unfortunately, Nissan never planned to mass-produce this unique model, leaving it as a dream ride for enthusiasts to admire. Kettenkrad. During World War II, German engineers developed one of the most unusual military vehicles of the era, the SDKF's 2 Kettenkrad HK-101. Originally designed for mountain and paratrooper divisions, this half-track motorcycle quickly found widespread use across all branches of the German army. Even after the war, Kettenkrads proved useful for agriculture and forestry, showcasing their adaptability. With a payload capacity of 350 kilograms and a range of 260 kilometers, this hybrid vehicle was ahead of its time. Capable of reaching 61 kilometers per hour, it remains an engineering marvel, even appearing in movies like Saving Private Ryan. With over 9,000 units produced, many of these historic vehicles are still operational today. These incredible tracked machines push the boundaries of engineering, from high-speed snow beasts to rugged off-road titans. Each of these vehicles proves that tracks aren't just for tanks, they're for innovation, adventure, and extreme performance. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of tracked machines, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling content. See you in the next one.